Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable vibration in text tone on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Sounds and Haptics, then click. Then in the Sounds and Haptics, scroll down and find the Sounds and Haptic Pattern section, then click the Text Tone. In the Text Tone, click the Vibration. Then in the Vibration, if you want to disable the vibration pattern, click None on the lower side of the screen. And your vibration and text tone is now disabled. And if you want to enable the vibration and text tone, scroll up, then click the synchronize or the default vibration. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled vibration and text tone on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!